right? So, okay, in this session I am going to discuss the where does photosynthesis takes place. So this is the today topic, where does photosynthesis take place. So this topic is related to the photosynthesis in higher plants. Photosynthesis in higher plants. So here, what is the definition of the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight and water and carbon dioxide to release the oxygen and sugar. So this is the definition of photosynthesis. So generally the plants are use the sunlight from the atmosphere and absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and to release the water, then release the oxygen and sugar. So this is the definition of the photosynthesis. Okay, so in this topic I am discussing the only where is the photosynthesis is takes place in higher plants or other organisms. Generally the photosynthesis is takes place in green plants, green leaves. The photosynthesis is takes place in green leaves. In green leaves, where is the photosynthesis is takes place? So here, if you take the leaf, this is the leaf. This is a transverse section of leaf. This is a transverse section of leaf. In this transverse section of the leaf, it is contains three main regions. This is the first region is called upper epidermis. This is upper epidermis, and this is the lower epidermis. This is lower epidermis. So in the TS of leaf, it contains three main regions. This is first one is upper epidermis, second one is lower epidermis. In between these two epidermis, the middle portion is called mesophyll tissue. This is called mesophyll tissue. This is the mesophyll tissue. Now the photosynthesis is takes place in mesophyll tissue, means the tissue is nothing but the group of the cell, means the photosynthesis is takes place in mesophyll cell. In the mesophyll cell, photosynthesis is takes place. Generally the photosynthesis is takes place in green plants. In green plants the photosynthesis is takes place in leaves. In the leaf, if you take the transverse section of the leaf, in this transverse section of leaf, the mesophyll tissue is there. In the mesophyll tissue, the different types of mesophyll cells are there. In this mesophyll cell, the chloroplast organelles are present. So this is the one mesophyll tissue. So these elongated cells are towards epidermis. This tissue is called palisade parenchyma. Palisade parenchyma. The palisade parenchyma is present towards upper epidermis, and that is a sponge parenchyma. This is the sponge parenchyma. This is sponge parenchyma. So this sponge parenchyma is present towards lower epidermis. So in this palisade parenchyma and in sponge parenchyma, in these two are together form the mesophyll tissue. Mesophyll tissue. In this palisade parenchyma, these cells are elongated. The sponge parenchyma cells are round in shape or oval in shape. In this mesophyll tissue, the more number of chloroplast organelles are present in the palisade parenchyma mesophyll cells. The more number of chloroplast organelles are present in the palisade parenchyma compared to the sponge parenchyma. In the sponge parenchyma, the less number of chloroplast organelles are there. Okay, in this palisade parenchyma, the each round shape, this round shape bubble is known as one chloroplast. This is the one chloroplast. In palisade parenchyma, performing the photosynthesis. Why? Because in this palisade parenchyma, that is the chloroplast organelles are present. So these chloroplast organelles are present in the palisade parenchyma. That's why the photosynthesis takes place in the mesophyll tissue or mesophyll cell. Next, now I am discussing what is the structure of the chloroplast. This is the chloroplast. The chloroplast is one type of plastid. One type of plastids. Generally, the plastids are three types. That is leucoplast, chloroplast, and chromoplast. So the chloroplast is under that the chloroplast is colored plastid. That is it is a green plastids. Okay. So in this chloroplast, where is the photosynthesis takes place? Where is photosynthesis takes place? So this is the structure of the chloroplast. In this chloroplast, it contains three types of regions are there. The first region is called envelope. The second region is called stroma, and third region is called grana. So these are three main portions are observed in this structure of the chloroplast. In these three regions, where is the photosynthesis takes place? Generally the photosynthesis takes place in the grana in chloroplast. So here this is the structure of the chloroplast. This chloroplast is surrounded by two membranes. This is outermost membrane is called outer membrane. The inner portion, inner layer is called the inner membrane of the chloroplast. Means the chloroplast is a double membrane organelle. So the chloroplast contains two membrane bounded organelle in the plant cell. The chloroplast is only present in the plant cell only. The chloroplast organelle is absent in the animal cell. So in this chloroplast, it contains two membranes. The outer membrane is called outer membrane. Inner side membrane is called inner membrane. So this is the outer membrane. So this is outer membrane. This is inner membrane. So between the outer and inner membrane, some space is there. This space is called periplastidial space. So in between two membranes, some space is there. That space is called periplastidial space. Next, in this chloroplast, the fluid-like substance is present in the chloroplast. The fluid-like substance is called stroma. This is the stroma. So the stroma is present inner portion of the chloroplast. So the stroma is contains some enzymes are there. Some enzymes are present in the stroma. That enzymes are mainly required for the synthesis of the carbohydrates. That the stroma contains some enzymes. That enzymes are required for the carbohydrate synthesis. In this stroma, a small circular DNA is there. This is a small circular DNA. And also the stroma is also contains 78 ribosomes. This is the most important concept. In a stroma of the chloroplast, 70S ribosomes are present in the chloroplast. So next, in this stroma, some starch granules also present in the chloroplast. Some starch granules are present. Okay, so this is the stroma. The stroma is inner portion of the chloroplast. It contains the fluid-like substance is there, that is called stroma. In this stroma, the different types of the number of thylakoids membranes are there. These thylakoids membranes means this is one thylakoid, this is one thylakoid, this is one thylakoid, this is one thylakoids. These thylakoids are arranged on the arrangement like that is the files like stakes. Okay, so these thylakoids are arranged one by one, then to form the granum. So this is complete the group of the thylakoids, then to form the granum. This is the one granum, this is the one granum, so this is the one granum. Like this, that is the group of the thylakoids membranes are arranged like the coins, arranged piles of coins like stakes, that is called granum. So the granum is nothing but that is the singular, mean the granum is a singular word, means grana means a plural, that is a grana. This is a grana thylakoid. Means the thylakoid is nothing but the small sac-like membranous, flattened membranous like substance, membrane-like sac-like structure is called thylakoid. Okay, so in between the granum, small that is stroma lamellae are there. This is the stroma lamellae. This is stroma lamellae. The stroma lamellae are connected between two granum. So this is called stroma lamellae. So this one is also known as pret lamellae. This is also known as pret lamellae. Okay, so this is this one is contains the different types of grana are arranged in the stake like structures. Okay, so this is that is structure of the chloroplast. In this chloroplast, where is the photosynthesis takes place. So in this is a grana thylakoid, this is a sac like membranous like structure, this is one thylakoid, this is one thylakoid, this is one thylakoids. So in this thylakoid they contains that is chlorophyll pigments. In this inner membranes of the thylakoid, chlorophyll pigments are present. Okay, so this is the that is the thylakoid membrane. In this thylakoid membranes having different types of chloroplast, chlorophyll pigments are there. So in this thylakoid membrane, where is the photosynthesis takes place? That is the main concept. The photosynthesis takes place in the thylakoid membrane. So this is the structure of the thylakoid membrane. This is only single thylakoid. This thylakoid membrane is also contains two lipopolysaccharides, lipoproteinaceous layers are there. This is one thylakoid. This is single thylakoid. In this thylakoid, where is the photosynthesis takes place? So in this thylakoid, the inner lining of the thylakoid's membranes having different types of so many types of quantasomes are there. Quantasomes. These quantasomes are present in the thylakoid membranes. What is the definition of the quantasomes? the quantasomes are nothing but that is the group of pigments. Group of pigments means collection of pigments. Collection of pigments. Collection of pigments. So that is the quantasomes. In this quantasomes, the chlorophyll molecules and different types of pigment molecules are there. Pigment molecules. So these are pigment molecules. Means this one is one quantasome, this one is one quantasome, this one is one quantasome. Means the quantasome is nothing but the collection of the pigments. What are the pigments are present in the quantasomes? Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthophylls, and that is a carotenoids. So these are different types of pigment molecules are present in the thylakoid membranes. Like now, what is the today topic? Where does photosynthesis takes place? The photosynthesis takes place in quantasomes. Where is the quantasomes? The quantasomes are present in the inner layers of the thylakoid membranes. The thylakoid membranes are present in the grana. Grana is present in the chloroplast. Chloroplast is present in the mesophyll cell. Mesophyll cell is present in the green leaves. That is the exact location of the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in the thylakoid membranes. So in this thylakoid membranes, different types of components are present. That is in this thylakoid membranes, photosystem 2 is also present in the thylakoid membranes, and ATPase enzyme is also ATPase enzyme is present in the thylakoid membranes, and photosystem 1 is also present in the thylakoid membranes. Generally, the photosystem 2 and the photosystem 2 is present in the granothylakoids, and the photosystem 1 is present in the stroma thylakoid. Photosystem 1 is present in the stroma thylakoids. In stroma, in this stroma of chloroplast, dark reaction takes place. Dark reaction takes place in the stroma. In granothylakoids, light reactions takes place in the granothylakoids. So this is the in a mechanism of photosynthesis.